It's the Weather Extreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Wednesday, the 8th of September. A cold front will be passing through tonight. That's going to set the stage for really nice weather tomorrow through the weekend. And down to the south, it looks like a tropical depression could be forming in the northern Gulf of Mexico. Let's talk about things. There's the upper air look today. We have a large-scale upper high out west and a downstream upper trough over the eastern states, pushing a cold front down this way. There's the visible satellite view. You can see the cold front north of the state, that narrow band of clouds through parts of western and middle Tennessee that'll be pushing through here tonight with a chance of showers. That was the radar, a band of showers on the front from near Nashville down to Memphis along Interstate 40. And also down to the south, a lot of rain for the Florida Gulf Coast in association with that tropical feature that is south of Fort Walton Beach. And again, it looks like it's trying to become a depression, but one way or another, the main impact is rain for the Panhandle today. Temperatures are mostly in the mid to upper 80s. Birmingham at 85. Those were taken at about 1:45 this afternoon. There's a flash flood watch for parts of the Florida Panhandle with a tropical feature. And around the nation, relatively quiet elsewhere. Got a chance of severe storms on the front north and east of here, parts of the northeast United States. Also a marginal risk for parts of North Florida and South Georgia with our tropical system, and a couple of marginal risks well to the west. Tomorrow, no organized severe weather expected, and day 3, which is Friday, once again, no organized severe storms across the country. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. The central and western states, relatively quiet. In Alabama, really not much. Again, we'll see a few scattered showers through tonight. After tonight, we'll be dry for a while. And in the tropics, we've got Larry and our feature in the Gulf, but really the main development region, the MDR out there, is really quiet for the 8th of September. This is the climatological peak of the season here over the next 5 days, but it's very quiet. Larry with winds at 110 miles an hour. That'll be curving well to the east of Bermuda, of course, well east of the United States, maybe clipping the Canadian Maritimes by late Friday on the way to the North Atlantic. There's the feature in the Gulf. It looks like a depression is forming here, but again, it just doesn't matter whether this is an open trough or a weak depression. The main impact is rain for the Gulf Coast of the Florida Panhandle. This will be moving into the Atlantic tomorrow. The weather improves on the Gulf Coast. In fact, if you're beach-bound, the weather looks really nice tomorrow through the weekend with only isolated showers. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. Upper high in the west, trough in the east, and a very dry air mass. Dew points dropping into the 50s, the sky sunny, the high in the low to mid 80s. Very, very pleasant. Friday, we start the day in the 50s in most spots. That'll feel good. The high Friday, mid 80s, nothing but sunshine. Great night for high school football Friday night. Saturday, sunny weather to start the weekend. Highs mid to upper 80s. Sunday, we stay sunny with upper 80s. And Monday, there might be a few isolated showers. Most places dry. The high Monday, 87 to 90. Tuesday, moisture a little deeper, the chance of a few scattered showers and storms about. And this is Wednesday, a week from today, the 15th of September. Little trough coming out across the plain states. And again, the chance of a few scattered showers and storms. Let's go at 10 days. This is Saturday, September 18th. Flat ridge here. And again, warm, humid, maybe a few isolated showers, but that looks awfully quiet. Rain for Birmingham for the next 15 days, not much. The mean is about 3/4 of an inch, and that's it. Valid through the 24th of September. Highs in the 80s, lows mostly in the 60s through Saturday the 18th. But again, I do think most spots around here will be in the 50s early Friday morning. And hot off the presses, the brand new Cpc Outlook. This is for September 16th through the 22nd. Much of the contiguous United States with temperatures above average. That's it for the Weather Extreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be prepared, not scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with 2 N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, prepared not scared. Get your kids a copy today.